In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of reports in QuickBooks. If you've ever opened a report and thought the numbers or labels looked a little too small, you're not alone. QuickBooks doesn't include a built-in setting to increase the report font size directly, but there's a simple, reliable workaround that makes everything on the screen easier to read without changing the actual report formatting. Start by opening the specific report you want to view. It could be a profit and loss, a balance sheet, or any detailed report where the text feels cramped. Once the report is visible, place your cursor anywhere over the report window so it's active. Now, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while holding it, use your mouse wheel to scroll upward. As you scroll up, you'll see the page zoom in and the text on the report become larger and clearer on your screen. This zoom action affects the entire page you're viewing, so headers, column labels, numbers, and totals all get bigger at the same time. Because this is a display zoom rather than a formatting change, your data stays intact. It simply becomes easier to read while you're working. If you feel you've zoomed in too much, just hold Control and scroll downward to zoom back out. Many systems also support Control plus the plus key to zoom in, Control plus the minus key to zoom out, and Control plus 0 to reset to the default view. These are standard zoom controls that work in many apps and are helpful if your mouse wheel isn't adjusting the view. A couple of quick notes to keep you on track. First, this approach changes what you see on screen. It doesn't permanently change the report's font or affect how it will print or export. If you plan to print the report larger, you'll still need to adjust your printer or export settings separately. Second, if the zoom doesn't respond right away, click once inside the report to make sure it has focus, then try the Control and scroll again. And if you're switching between different reports or windows, you may need to adjust the zoom in each one to your preferred viewing size. That's all there is to it. Open the report, hold Control, and scroll up to increase the page zoom. It's a quick fix that makes your reports far more comfortable to read while you work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you review your numbers with less eye strain and more confidence.